Bismillahir-Rahman-ir-Rahim. Praise be to Allah, the Most High, the one who unites hearts when they are sincere and separates them when they stray. May the peace and blessings of Allah be upon our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, the perfect example of marital conduct, upon his purified family, and upon his noble companions. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh, dear brothers and sisters. Welcome to Muslim Married Life, a channel created to remind, awaken, and preserve what many homes are losing: serenity, modesty, responsibility, and love lived according to Islam. Before going any further, we invite all Muslim members of the public to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. It's not just a simple digital gesture. It's a contribution to protecting our culture, our families, and our religious identity. The more these reminders circulate, the more disciplined and faithful the Ummah remains to its values. Today, we are addressing a topic that silently affects thousands of households: marriage without affection. Couples live together, eat at the same table, sleep in the same room, but their hearts have become strangers. Their gazes are empty, their words few, their gestures mechanical. They carry on out of duty, but they no longer live for love. So the question arises: can a marriage truly last without affection? And above all, does Islam accept a marriage reduced to mere responsibilities? Understanding marriage without affection. A marriage devoid of affection isn't always noisy. There's no shouting, no breaking, no hitting. Often it manifests itself in silence. A heavy silence, gradually settling in until it becomes the norm. Discussions are limited to the essentials: the children, the bills, the obligations. Emotions, however, remain locked away. We stay together out of habit because the years have passed. We stay together for the children, telling ourselves that they must not suffer. We stay together because of social pressure, out of fear of how others will see us. We stay together out of fear of divorce, even when our hearts have already left. But living together without affection is like praying without the presence of the heart. The gesture is there, but the soul is absent. In Islam, marriage has never been conceived as a mere legal cohabitation. Allah, exalted as He, describes it as a powerful sign of His existence and His wisdom. He says, "And among His signs is that He created for you mates from among yourselves, that you may find tranquility in them. And He placed between you affection and mercy." Surah Ar-Rum 30:21. This verse is not about survival, but about tranquility. It is not about constraint, but about affection. This means that when affection disappears permanently, something essential is being lost. The causes of a marriage without affection. Marriage reduced to material criteria. Many marriages begin with shaky foundations. A spouse is chosen for their possessions, status, appearance, or to please the family. But when faith and Islamic values are not central, affection becomes fragile. The Prophet clearly warned, "A woman is married for four things: her wealth, her lineage, her beauty, and her religion. Choose the one who is religious, and you will succeed." Bukhari and Muslim. This hadith speaks not only of the initial choice, but also of the enduring nature of marriage. Without shared spirituality, hearts wither. B. Lack of communication. In many homes, the words have disappeared. The husband comes home tired, preoccupied, absorbed by his responsibilities. The wife waits for a word, a glance, a recognition. Nothing comes. She remains silent, and so does he. The days pass, the walls rise. It is not hatred that destroys these marriages, but the lack of dialogue. Little by little, the heart closes in order to protect itself. C. Ignorance of marital rights. Allah has not left marriage without rules. He has ordained kindness, and behave appropriately towards them. Surah An-Nisa 4:19. When gentleness, respect, and attentiveness disappear, even a materially stable home becomes emotionally impoverished. Many conflicts arise simply because each person is unaware of what Allah truly expects of them. D. Unhealed wounds. Some words are unforgettable. Some humiliations leave invisible scars. Even years later, the heart remembers. Without sincere forgiveness and reconciliation, affection cannot breathe. Islamic teachings on affection. The Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, was not harsh, cold, or distant with his wives. He joked, he helped, he listened. He showed that masculinity in Islam is not opposed to tenderness. He said, "The best among you is the best to your family, and I am the best to my family." Tirmidhi. This hadith overturns a dangerous idea. A man's piety is not measured outside, but inside his home. Affection is an act of worship. Smiling at one's wife, reassuring her, respecting her, these are not weaknesses. They are acts of worship when done for Allah. The Prophet even said, "Even the intimate relationship between you is a charity." Muslim. Real-life examples. A couple married for 10 years. No scandals, no violence, but no more meaningful conversations. The woman will say one day, "He feeds me, but he doesn't see me." She isn't hungry for bread, she's hungry for recognition. The result? Emotional loneliness in a home that is otherwise full of life. Conversely, a husband known for his harshness attends an Islamic reminder. He understands that gentleness is a sunnah. He begins by saying salam upon returning home, by expressing gratitude, by making dua for his wife. Nothing extraordinary, but the affection forgotten begins to return. Practical advice. Returning to Allah together transforms hearts. A shared prayer is sometimes worth more than 1,000 discussions. Learning about Islamic rights and duties prevents many injustices. Speaking with kindness opens doors that have been closed for a long time. Small gestures, even simple ones, have a huge impact. And above all, sincere patience attracts Allah's help, because nothing lasting can be rebuilt in haste. Dear brothers and sisters, marriage in Islam is neither a prison nor a mere social formality. It is a path to inner peace. A marriage without affection is not an end, but a warning. When Allah is placed at the center, even the most estranged hearts can be reborn. Before leaving this video, we remind all Muslim viewers, subscribe, like, share this reminder. Every sharing is an act of charity. Every reminder is a protection for our homes and our ummah. May Allah place affection and mercy in our marriages, protect our families, and make our homes sources of light. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh.